At NeuroSpinal Institute, our focus is on regenerative medicine. We're dealing with the toughest cases from disc herniations, spinal stenosis, disc bulges with sciatica, and even with knee problems, osteoarthritis, severe osteoarthritis, conditions that are facing surgery. Using today's technologies, we're using stem cell therapy for everything from disc conditions, knee problems, shoulder problems, torn meniscus. If it's a joint that's been breaking down, there's a good chance that stem cells can help it. With stem cell therapy, we have the power to now improve the condition of the joint for the long term. And what we're trying to do is prevent surgery. We're gonna have better outcomes, and better outcomes long term. So we have a patient-centered approach to care. Our focus is on you and your whole. We wanna get you better, get you functioning better, get you moving better, so you can have a better quality of life and have it for long term. Thank you.